I get to push the elevator buttons.
Yeah.
You'll go back to the room and take a nap.
So what do you think? This
So
spent a
watch
lot
your
of
mouth.
time
Yes,
in
ma'am.
elevator scenes.
Yes, ma'am.
Look, they have
That's an iPhone game.
What iPhone? Yeah, Crossy Road.
Yeah.
I have it on my phone, my iPad, and for some reason on TV too.
Yeah. So here it is, day 3, and we are at Chuck E. Cheese. Took a break from the hotel and the water stuff and decided to come here.
We're at Chuck E. Cheese now. Yay.
Wait, go.
I got this
Airheads?
cherry airhead and a watermelon airhead and a bat.
Right, score.
And I like him.
I got 3 bracelets, purple, blue, and pink. I got Skittles, but that's already in my stomach. And I got the spinny thing.
Cool.
So